The long-term objective will produce the second volume of Ritchie Mind. Ritchie Mind is a collection of short articles we call zine articles, and they are listed here as a kind of a complete catalog in short, very short, 255 characters with spaces and punctuation, and the title of each one, and the subtitle, and how many words. That's it. So we have to create a database to finally print out in this directory. But we do it in stages. We do it in 11 stages, starting with Artsport and going all the way through the 10 islands of domains of expertise and also interval. So let's get started. We're on the desktop. We go to Artsport. We go to Produce, Zines, and since we're looking for 2010, it'll be here in 2009 to 2018. Here are the zines for 2010. And you'll notice there's a folder up here called 2010 Headings. That's where we're going to store our work. Go down to the next article that I haven't worked on yet, open it, and save it as a plain text file. And close it. We've saved the plain text file. Now we open it. There it is in plain text, and we highlight all the material in the heading, and we copy it and close the file. Now go back to where we had the collections stored under the 2010 headings. This is the one I've already started. Open it. Go to the bottom, skip a line, and paste it. Didn't skip a line. I'll skip it. And then save it and close it. We keep in mind that we're on the island of Artsport in the imaginary region of Emeralda, and on each island we've left notes that we want to compile into a zine, and we do this all year long for every year. And after 10 years, our reward is to publish the zine into a volume called Ritchie Mind, because I am Bill Ritchie. So far, we've compiled those of 2010, and we go on to 2011 and 12 and so forth, and all the way up until we have 10 folders from 2010 to 2019.